Deep cleaning your fridge, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering an essential home maintenance task, properly cleaning your fridge before turning it back on. We'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure your fridge is sparkling clean and ready to run.
Why should I clean my fridge?
Fridges are used every day, and they can accumulate a lot of dirt, grime, and food particles over time. This not only makes your fridge look and smell bad, but it can also affect its performance and energy efficiency. Regularly cleaning your fridge can help prevent these issues and prolong its lifespan.
What will I need?
Before we start, let's gather our cleaning supplies. A cooler or alternative storage for your perishable items, mild dish soap or a solution of equal parts water and vinegar, microfiber cloths or sponges, baking soda for stubborn stains, a dry towel for drying.
Preparing your fridge.
Firstly, unplug your fridge. It's important to ensure your own safety while cleaning. Next, remove all the food and beverages from your fridge. Check expiry dates and throw out anything that's expired. Place the items that need to stay cold in your cooler or alternative storage.
Removing and cleaning components.
Start by removing the drawers, shelves, and other removable parts. These pieces are often the dirtiest, so give them a good scrub with your dish soap or vinegar solution. For stubborn stains, use a baking soda paste made of equal parts baking soda and water. Let them air dry or wipe dry with your towel.
Cleaning the interior.
Now it's time to clean the interior of your fridge. Use your dish soap or vinegar solution and a cloth to wipe down all surfaces. Pay attention to corners and crevices where dirt and grime can build up. Rinse your cloth regularly to ensure you're not just moving dirt around.
Cleaning the exterior.
Once the interior is clean, move on to the exterior. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and your cleaning solution. For stainless steel fridges, make sure to wipe in the direction of the grain to avoid streaks.
Putting it all together.
Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your fridge. Place back the shelves and drawers in their original locations. Before you restock your fridge, make sure it's completely dry inside to avoid mold and mildew.
Turning your fridge back on.
Once your fridge is clean, dry, and restocked, you can plug it back in. It may take a few hours to reach its optimal temperature, so be patient and avoid opening the door frequently. And that's it. We hope this guide makes cleaning your fridge a breeze. Remember, maintaining a clean fridge can improve its performance and efficiency, so try to make this a regular part of your cleaning routine. Until next time, happy cleaning!